Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And today I'm here to open my Cartier Christmas and New Year gift. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you so very much for clicking on this video. And today I'm extremely excited. I'm gonna have an unboxing with you guys from Cartier, my purchases from Cartier. This is not my first purchase of Cartier. I have two Cartier bracelets. I used to have my small love bracelet from Cartier, but I don't have it anymore. And I have my Cartier ring. Let me just bring it closer. So I'm just gonna bring it closer to show you. So I have my Cartier Panthere bracelet. I have my Juste Clou. I have my Juste Clou ring as well. So this is my three major Cartier jewelries that I still have in my collection. As I said, I used to have a small love bracelet, and I have it only for the reasons that I can take it off, because I tried love bracelet several times at the boutique and it didn't work out for me. Unfortunately, hopefully I change my mind eventually, but so far no. And as I said, I tried love bracelets several times at Cartier boutique. I maybe if I still gonna have that short video somewhere, I will even put it over here, that me trying Cartier love bracelet. I know it's the most popular item for everybody, but it didn't work out for me. So today I'm gonna have unboxing of my next Cartier piece. So excited about this piece. So clearly it's an envelope of Cartier bill. And this is Authenticity, and they changed the color. Right now it's kind of white inside, because I remember before it was kind of yellowish. They changed the color of the Authenticity card. And here is the beautiful box. And let me actually come closer to the camera so that I can unbox with you guys. So it's going to be closer, so you can see this is how they stamp it at the boutique. So let's just break the seal. Okay, and that's how they fold the papers. So pretty. Oh my goodness, they stick that things to my... Okay, so this is the tissue. It's the box. Gonna do full unboxing, and then I'm gonna tell you the reason why I choose this piece. Usually everybody doing this kind of a little bit more dramatic, like ta-da. I will try. Oh, okay, didn't work out. No ta-da over here. Let's do it again. Ta-da! So here you go, guys. As I said, I was trying to get myself a love bracelet. I had a small one. It didn't work out for me, and now I decided to go with this love necklace. Most likely eventually I will get a love ring for one of my anniversaries, but I decided to get a love necklace. And because clearly it's just a round circle, my name is Oksana, so it starts with the O. It could be also beautiful gesture. So let me just remove the necklace from the pouch. I'm gonna show you a little bit closer, and then clearly I'm gonna wear it on myself. So this is the Cartier box. So this is the necklace. let me make sure, maybe I should adjust a little bit of light. So that's the necklace, really beautiful. That's the clasp. If it doesn't have all diamonds, this is the type of the clasp. With the diamonds, they have a different type of clasp. Really love the chain. I hope it's showing the beauty of this chain. And this is movable. The chain is movable. And at the back, it says love. So right now, before I put it on, let's just do the measurements of the weight. I mean, clearly when it comes to high-end jewelry, it's not about the weight of the gold, but nevertheless. So it's about 13.4, 13.5. It's just kind of shifting. It looks like it's 13.5 grams of gold in this necklace. So 13.5 grams of gold. I'm gonna also include most likely the video when I'm gonna be taking video of this. And also when I was purchasing, my SA kindly give me this travel pouch. I mean, they usually give, like, you know, all the travel pouches for their necklaces or bracelets, etc., etc. So that's the travel pouch. So let me just myself look at this beautiful necklace, because I actually saw it a couple of months ago, actually not couple, already several months ago at the boutique, because I purchased this before the price increase. When I purchased it, it was 4,150 Canadian before taxes, and right now on the website, at least when I'm filming this video, 4,500. I don't know, by the time I will post it, maybe it's going to be even higher. So really happy. So it's already $350 more, and keeping in mind that in Toronto we have 13% taxes, so it's pretty much almost $400 more already at the boutique. So let me just put the okay, and let me show you guys. So I'm gonna come once again closer to the camera. Let me just adjust the light. Absolutely gorgeous piece. I so very much love it. Absolutely gorgeous piece. So let me once again sit down and I will explain to you the reasons that I choose this specific piece. Because originally I actually planned to buy this piece with 3 diamonds, because reason for that is kind of also a bit sentimental. It's a love collection, so it's all supposed to be about the love, and there is 3 members of our family. It's my husband, my daughter, and myself. So I thought like those 3 diamonds would be a perfect choice. But when I actually look at the necklace in a boutique, those diamonds, they're barely visible, and also it's almost like the necklace looks a bit unbalanced to me personally. But this one, because it's round and all nails, they're kind of like really rounded, so it's kind of perfect. It's almost idyllic design. So I didn't wanna kind of like, you know, disturb the balance of the necklace, and that's why I decided to go with the simple kind of yellow basic love necklace, I would say, in this sense. If I would say in the future I will be thinking of second love necklace, then I will wanna buy everything with the diamond pave, not the 3 pieces, but full set of diamond pave, maybe even in the white gold because it's going to be absolutely gorgeous pavé, you know, in white gold. So there is a possibility of that. But so far my Cartier collection consists of all yellow gold items. As I said, I have my Panthere, and it has two little green eyes of Tsavorite, and I believe it's opal right on the nose, the black nose. I have my Juste Clou or nail. I have my Juste Clou ring, and now I have my gorgeous love necklace. Absolutely love this gorgeous necklace. So this is the unboxing of my Christmas gift. I'm so excited. I hope that you like it. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask me, because by the time most likely I post this video, I already gonna wear this necklace for a while. So please, once again, ask your questions and I will definitely answer to you. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.